Your Eminence, the Papal Nuncio to the Republic of Kenya, Your Eminence Cardinal Njue, Your Graces, my Lord Bishops, the clergy, fellow Catholics and Christians here gathered, tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Milele na milele, asanteni sana. We gather here today as people from different backgrounds, different religions, to remember and to celebrate the life of a man who truly walked in the path of Jesus. A man who, despite his high position, did not walk in and amongst the high and mighty in the world, but rather, like Jesus, chose to walk amongst the poor and those most in need. A true lesson, a true example of what we all call servant leadership. He chose to serve, not to be served. He chose to deliver, to save, not to be saved. I think many of you will always recall his one statement everywhere he went. He just said simply, just pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for him to be able to do what he was doing. He was able to extend beyond his religion. He was able to see us all as humanity. He didn't pick and choose. And even the most vulnerable and the most outcast, he was able to ensure that they were given solace and comfort. Truly a man who walked in a path of giving dignity to human life, regardless of whichever condition one found themselves in. I had the pleasure